Good morning, students. Yesterday you have read Bholi's father was ready to marry his daughter with Vishwambarnath. Okay? When Vishwambarnath saw the face of Bholi, he demanded 5,000 money. Okay? But Bholi's father was not able to give, but Vishwambarnath demanded, otherwise he should take the procedure to his home. At last Bholi's father went and paid the money. He also kept the money in the feet of Vishwambarnath. See ahead. On Vishwambar's greedy face appeared a triumphant smile. He had gambled and won. Give me the garland, he announced. Means at the last, when Vishwambarnath got the money, then he announced, or then he asked for the garland. Okay, for the garland. Garland, okay, he had gambled and won. Okay, means what he required, he had got. Understood? Once again the veil was slipped back from the bride's face, but this time her eyes were not downcast. In the first time, her face looked over there. Then Vishwambarnath demanded once again. Bholi's face, Miss Bholi's well downcast. Okay, but Bholi did not cover her face again. She looked in the eyes of Vishwambarnath. Okay, again the veil was slipped back from the bride's face, but this time her eyes were not downcast. Miss Bholi's eyes were not downcast. Okay, she was looking up, looking straight at the prospective husband, and in her eyes there was neither anger nor hate, only cold contempt. Miss, at that time when Bholi well slept, she only looking towards Vishwambar's face. She was neither anger nor hate, only she was looking disgracefully, okay, in the eyes of Vishwambarnath. Okay, Vishwambar raised the garland to place it round the bride's neck, but before he could do so, Bholi's hand stuck out like a streak of lightning, and the garland was flung into the fire. She got up and threw away the veil. Means at that time, when Vishwambarnath tried to garland in the neck of Bholi, once again Bholi stretched her hands and catch the garland. She threw the garland into the sacred fire, and she also threw away the veil. Okay, which she did not cover her face. Pitaji said Bholi in a clear, loud voice, and her father, mother, sister, brother, relations and neighbors were startled to hear her speak without even the slightest slumber. Means after throwing the garland, she told her father, Pitaji, and father, mother, sister, brothers, relations and neighbors. Okay, everyone who was present over there, they were looking towards Bholi. Understood? At that time, when she was talking, she was not stammering. Okay, her voice was clear. Pitaji, take back your money. I am not going to marry this man. So he told her father, I am not going to marry with Viswambarnath, so take your money, okay? Ramlal was thunderstruck. When Ramlal listened these words, he became thunderstruck, okay? The guest began to whisper, so shameless, so ugly and so shameless. Means all the guests who was present over there, they were talking with each other. This is very shameless activities that was performed by the girl who is stammering, but she rejected to marry. Okay, so Viswambarnath was also anxious, as well as Bholi's father also was very sad. Okay, Bholi, are you crazy? Shouted Ramlal. When Bholi was over there, it means Ramlal shouted, are you crazy? Okay, you want to disgrace your family. You try to disgrace, you try to disobey my words. Understood? Have some regard for our izzat. Means keep regards for your family. My izzat means fame, naam, shohrat. Means I am respected person in the village and you disgraced me. Okay? For the sake of your izzat, said Bholi, I was willing to marry this lamb old man. So Bholi once again said to her father, for the sake of your izzat, father, your respect, I was ready to marry with this lamb person. Okay? But I will not have such a mean, greedy and contemptible coward as my husband. But I will not have such a mind. Means I will not accept these kinds of mean person, okay, who is greedy and comfortable, okay, and I wouldn't marry this type of person. What is Sam's girl? We all thought she was a harmless dumb cow. Means everyone who was over there, they were thinking this is a Samless, this is a dumb girl. But now it is proved she is not a dumb girl. Okay, she can understand the feelings of others. Okay, Bholi turned violently on the old woman. Yes, auntie, you are right. Means Bholi turned towards the woman, old woman, violently and told her, yes, you are telling right. Okay, you all thought I was a dumb driver cow. Means everyone who was present over here, are you thinking I am a dumb driver cow? Okay, means everyone can say something to me and I will ready. It's not possible. Okay, that's why you wanted to hand me over to this helpless creature. Means I am just like a dumb cow. That's why you are ready to give my hands in the heartless creature. Okay? But now the dumb cow, the stammering bull is speaking. But now it is time for a dumb cow to speak her own words. Okay? Do you want to hear more? And if you want to hear more, I am going to tell. Okay? Viswambarnath, the grocer, started to go back with his party, and at that time when Bholi said these words, Viswambarnath was ready to go back to his house. Okay? The confused batsman thought this was the end. Means at that time Bholi started talking. The batsman understand this is the end point of the marriage, okay, of the ceremony, and stuck up the closing song. That's why they stopped singing. They stopped beating the drums. Okay, means everyone stopped over there when she was ready to cry. Okay, Ramlal stood rooted to the ground, his head bowed low with the weight of grief and shame. Means at that time when Bholi was talking, Ramlal was standing shameless. Okay? He was too much sad. He cannot say any words. The flame of the sacred fire slowly died down. Died down means burn out. Means at that time when she threw the garlands into the sacred fire, it was going to dead. Means it was going to extinct. यानी वह आग क्या हुई, बुझने वाली थी. Everyone was gone. Okay, यानी जो लोग सभी आए थे, means every person who was present over there, they have gone. Okay, Ram turned to police and said, but what about you? No one will ever marry you. Now what shall we do with you? Means Ram turned towards his daughter and told, what have you done, my daughter? Okay, but what about you? Means no one will marry, means no one will marry with you. Okay, what shall I do with you? Okay, my dear, who will marry you? Okay, next. And Sulekha said in a voice that was calm and steady. Means at that time Sulekha, means Holy, listened the words of his father. Okay, then she said, what she said? Don't you worry, Papa, Pitaji, I am your old, करें कि in your old age I will serve you and mother, and I will teach in the same school where I learned so much. Isn't that right, ma'am? Miss, at that time when his father was telling these words, what shall I do with you? Then Holy said, don't worry, father, I will serve you in your old age. I will serve for you and my mother. Isn't it correct? She asked to her ma'am. Okay. The teacher had all along stood in the corner. The teacher who taught her, she was also standing in the corner. Okay, watching the drama. Means she was also watching the incident that was happening at the house of Bholi. Okay, yes, Bholi, of course, she replied. Means the teacher replied, yes, of course, you can teach in the school. Okay, and in her smiling eyes was the light of a deep satisfaction. Means when Bholi listened these words from her teacher, she became very happy. She was too much satisfied. Okay, that an artist feel when the contemplation of her masterpiece. Means when a contemplation, when a student, when the picture become a great, then the scientist become also famous. So the teacher also feel very happy, and she understand the feeling of Bholi. Means Bholi was like a dumb cow, but now she became a good lady. Then she can understand the words, she can understand the feelings of others, and she can also understand how to move in our life. Okay, so these chapter taught us how we can think about the matter, how we have to select right or wrong. Okay, so try to understand this chapter, read carefully. If there is any problem, you can consult me. Understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.